Alright, so keeping on with our head. So again, right here we have our neck, it's our head, and then our hair will be above that. So I have to look again at what came before. So this was under, over, under, so I have to start over, under, over. I'm starting in the middle. I'm going to do these few rows for my neck. Making sure you keep everything nice and tight. You don't want to pull too hard with your neck though. I'm going to go slightly above it because I'll have to press it down later on. And those ends nice and loose. Alright, let me see how that is now. Push it down. Go a few more times. Okay. So that's going to be it for my neck. Make sure you don't pull it too tight. Pushing it all down. And now I'm going to go out when I go across. So if I notice this one was under and this one's already over, so I'm actually going to go back under this one. So this is making that square shape for the head right there. And I'm going to keep going with my pattern. And now I'm going all the way over to this one. So that's why it's really nice to have a line, because sometimes that paper moves underneath. Keeping with our pattern. Making sure you don't go, oops. Make sure you're not pulling too tight. So that was over, this one has to go under. So you're going to keep doing this all the way across, or all the way up, not across. All the way up your person's face. Make sure when you go to tighten everything down and push it all down back together that you are not, oops, I skipped one. Skipped 3. Oops, back. Make a mistake, just backtrack. Not a big deal. So make sure when you go to push it down that you don't wind up pushing it down so that the head doesn't have a shape anymore. And what I mean by that is that you're not pushing this part of the head down. See how I pushed it all the way down there? You don't want that. You want to make sure that you actually have a space when you push the head down. See how there's a nice little space between there. So I'm going to keep going back and forth, just normal stitching all the way up. And in the next video we're going to talk about how to interlock these and how to keep going up. So if you have any other questions, let me know. I'll show you some examples on how to do hair in a few.